Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is another video in my embellishment series, and for this one I picked up these super cute notebooks from Marshall's. As you can see, the inside of each notebook has a design from the cover. This one was $2.99 and this one was $3.99. So what I thought is that I would customize these just a tiny bit and give them away as gifts, because this is the perfect time to find things that are on sale and surplus that you can customize with your own special touch, and you'll have cute gifts to tuck away when you need them in an emergency, or just little neat things to hand to someone if they're having a rainy day. So with no further ado, I am going to show you what I did to embellish these and make them look super cute. So the only thing that I'm going to use to embellish these are these Swarovski crystals. They are really cute. They're in a gold color. I picked these up from Michael's. In a previous video, I had mentioned that I bought these buy one, get one 50% off. So these are the ones that I got for 50% off. So I think they were originally $6 and I got them for $3. So I'm gonna make a more personalized gift for less than $10. And I just think that's a really good idea. If you put a little bit of work into something, or if you want to make something more personalized for yourself, it doesn't cost a lot, and the thoughtfulness goes a long way. So let me show you what I did.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
As a reminder, this is how the unembellished notebooks looked. And this is the final result. And this may not look like much to you like on video, But these crystals added a lot. It added personalization and it just added like an extra bit of sparkle. And I think that it looks really, really cute, especially for something that I paid $4 for. It's so cute, especially this one. It's just so sparkly. It's so cute the way that the light catches it. And it's just so easy. I mean, if you have a pack of crystals and a set of notebooks, you could make some, I don't know, teachers' gifts. You could make bridesmaids' gifts depending on like if you did the initials. You could just do a lot of stuff and it's not expensive. So anyway, this C is custom made for someone that I know. But this one is the one that I'm giving away. So if you would like to receive this, the details are in the comments below. If you no longer see the comments, that means that the giveaway has ended. But I hope that you subscribe and hit notifications so that you can stay up on all the free giveaways that I'm doing for 2020. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.